was going through a lot. I couldn't even help pay the bills in this spot.
That's Dagger right there.
I got a plot.
But I'm sacking motherfucking money right here, nigga. Know what I mean? I'm sacking money. Know what I mean? We got my nigga Dude on it. We got the whole motherfucking crew out this bitch, nigga. We got the whole employee out this bitch. All the way in Jamaica. Kingston, Jamaica. Nigga, all the way in New York. Nigga, we out here in Emporia though. Know what I mean? We in Emporia, nigga. And we still don't want your bitch. We don't want your bitch.
Kiko, I don't know another. See, there, South there, Scott there,
you know it.
I know really there. Way up, stay up. See, Kiko, Faro, straightness. Listen, give him something for the camera. Shut the bite out your head like piranha. Worm eat out your brain like gizzarda. Your mother ball and a scream out, why father? Can't dagger them really want try this now. Lay them in a church when he knock his clap. Him a way bulletproof and still get shot. The grains of me fire go straight through that. Me kill everything, no one fit talk to cops. Job is never done until the skull crack. Me lick it thugs, them take sure of that. Set a girl pan fire in front of you. Till they tell Scott them where fi find the stash. Put two in her leg if him still not chat. One by one cut off her finger. You feel like say we come fi linger. We no step with sword, we are no ninja.
Project Pat, nigga. Project Pat, we out here tonight, nigga.
Real, man. Tell Pat,
Rockstar. Time money. Time money out here. Do it like this. Still go out here in the morning. Nigga, time money and sack money. Time money and sack money. That's how we ride out here. That's how we ride here, my nigga. We want to turn up money at that boy. Like, boy, get it in out here, too, man. We throwing all this off the stage.
Shut this shit down. I don't want your big tank shit. Want a nigga like me, that got them bricks. A nigga got bricks. She on my dick. She on my dick. Yo, ain't shit. You big chain shit. I met your hoe at the Walmart. Caught that bitch walking in the parking lot. I put my dick in a ready.
I still thought about them chickens. That nigga on the mission, trying to stack it to the ceiling. I still found a way to get it when I was dead broke. I still fucked the baddest bitches when I was dead broke. I still thought about them chickens. That nigga on the mission, trying to stack it to the ceiling when I was dead broke.
We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with fish, don't fuck with fish, don't fuck with fish. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind my bread. We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with fish, don't fuck with fish, don't fuck with fish. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind my bread.
Killing niggas over bread, killing niggas that snitch the feds. If everybody was like me, I would never end up dead. Real niggas, trill niggas, that's all about the bread. Closed mouths, don't get fed. Her mouth open, she giving head, and I giving head. So we get some head, let's get it. If it's time to show off, then you know I spend it. Drop a stock off at the mall, make it back in a phone call. What you thought I was born to ball? Can't lie, had to take a few balls. Came up in the same draws, hit hard like I'm southpaw. Mayweather, no Pacquiao. Pound for pound, I'ma sell it all. You need this help, I'ma drop it off. I'm that nigga, I'm that boss.
We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with fish,
face, don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind my bread. We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind my bread.
I'm about that action, so shout out to my blood. He keep me straight, he keep me laced, that loud pack, that bud. Told me sack them niggas gon' hate, cause you got it out that mud. My Jamaicans in this bitch, and they always show me love. And we don't fuck with them snitches, no, we don't fuck with them feds. Got a couple niggas that owe me, but they might end up dead. Cause you know I'm about that bread, I'm out here trying to get rich. Plus you know I got them pounds, but I still serve them niggas. And I still fuck your bitch, put her ass on that team. That money train, that money game, my nigga got them keys. Dagger got them peas, good love breaking them down. And I still rap my hood, I'm the real plug in my town.
I tell you, say don't fuck with my money, y'all. Don't fuck with the money, no. Now I gotta bust your fucking skull. Now you're fucking my rubber blow. Tell you don't fuck with the money, no. Don't fuck with the money, no. So I gotta bust your fucking skull. Hope you know you're fucking Maracana. We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind my bread. We bout that bread, we bout that bread, we bout that bread. Don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face, don't fuck with face. You end up dead, you end up dead, you end up dead. Behind my bread, behind my bread, behind